It's day 10. Let me ask you something. Have you ever worked really hard for something and still failed? Maybe it was an exam, a business, a relationship, or a dream. You gave your best. You stay up late. You believe with all your heart, and still it didn't work out. And then came that heavy silence, that thought that say, maybe I'm not good enough. But my friend, failure doesn't mean it's over. It simply means you're ready to begin again, stronger, wiser, and braver. Since childhood, we are taught to win. We are told, don't make mistake, be perfect, don't fail. But no one tell us this. Failure is the greatest teacher in life. We fear it because it hurt our ego. Because when we feel people see us, they talk, they judge, and that's what scares us the most. But let me tell you this truth, the people who laugh at your failure today will clap for your success tomorrow. If you have the courage to rise again, okay, think about it. Every successful person you admire has failed. Thomas Edison failed more than 1,000 times before creating the light bulb. Walt Disney was fired because his boss said he lacked imagination. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global success. If they had stopped after failing once, we would never have known their brilliance. So, when you fail, don't stop because maybe your story is still being written. Sometimes failure doesn't destroy your path, it directs you. Maybe that job rejection is saving you for a better opportunity. Maybe that broken relationship is preparing you for true love. Maybe that exam failure is pushing you toward your real passion. Life does not always give you what you want, it gives you what you need to grow. So instead of saying, why me, say, what is this trying to teach me? Let's be honest, started again is painful. It takes courage to rebuild from ashes. It takes strength or trust yourself again after disappointed. But remember, every sunrise begins in darkness. When everything feels lost, that the most life test if you will rise or surrender. Starting again does not mean going back. It means moving forward with more wisdom. Let me share something powerful with you. A simple mindset shift to turn failure into a fresh start. Step 1. Accept, don't deny. Stop pretending you are fine. It's okay to feel hurt. It's okay to cry because when you accept pain, you allow healing to begin. Step 2. Reflect, don't regret. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Every mistake carries a lesson that successful can never teach. Step 3. Rebuild with faith. Start small, set new goal, take the first step, no matter how tiny it seems. Because momentum comes from movement, not from waiting. You are not your past. You are not your mistake. You are what you choose to become after them. When you rise after failing, you don't start from zero. You start from experience. Every scars tell a story. Every failure adds a layer of strength to your character. So instead of hiding your failure, wear them like medals. They show that you try when others quit. Sometimes the hardest part is not starting again, it's letting go of what you thought should have worked. We hold on to old brain, old people, old mistakes, hoping something will magically change. But letting go is not losing. It making space for something better. Remember, the door you are afraid to close might be the same one blocking your flight. Think of phoenix, a bird that burned in its own flame only to rise again from the ashes. That's what courage truly means. Life will break you many times, but each time it does, you have two choices: to give up or to grow up. The phoenix does not fear the fire, it becomes it. Every new beginning feels small and uncertain, but it is still beginning. Your first radio, your first book, your first business, your first attempt to speak English fluency, it all started awkwardly, quietly, slowly. But every master was once a beginner who did not quit. And every winner was once a loser who decided to try again. So, if you have failed recently, take this as a sign. It's time to pick it start. Don't carry the weight of your past, carry it wisdom. You are not broken, you are becoming. And one day when your story inspire others, you will look back at your failure and whisper, "Thank you for making me who I am." Thanks for watching.